Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to compress PDF file size for free. So this will be most useful if you have like 1 GB file, but even if you have like a lower one, it will still work. So I'm going to head over and look for PDF gadget. The moment you type that one, you should be able to see the third option, compress PDF files online. Go ahead and click that. Click this one and choose the file that you are using. Again, in our case, 655 kilobytes, or that would be zero point 0.6 MB. Now there is an 82% reduction, so I'm just gonna click this one right here. And the moment that I do that, you can see that the file has now been downloaded. And if we're going to head over, close this, as you can see, it's now 155 kilobytes. I'm gonna click that one and then transfer it to this file right here. As you can see, there is a very huge difference in their sizes. That, everybody, is how you're going to compress PDF file size for free.